Harley Davidson adds a new bagger variation to its 2022 cruiser lineup with a Street Glide Street, a high-powered machine inspired by the race bikes used in the MotoAmerica King of the baggers races. It packs the most powerful factory-installed engine Harley offers and will be available in two sharp and aggressive-looking colorways. The highlight of the Street Glide ST is the Milwaukee 8117 V-twin, a 1923cc mill which puts out 126 pound-feet of torque at 3,750 rpm. The air oil-cooled engine features up-spec components such as a high-performance camshaft, intake, and exhaust, and is ripe for Screamin' Eagle performance parts upgrades for riders who want to shell out some extra cash. Chassis elements from the 49mm Showa dual-bending valve fork, reflex-linked Brembo braking system, and preload adjustable shocks are the same as found on other Street Glide models. Styling is similar as well with the iconic batwing fairing and low-slung cockpit. It also features the Boom Box GTS infotainment system, electronic cruise control, color touchscreen, Daymaker LED headlight, and smart security system. The color options are the next major difference between the ST and other Street Glide models. Riders can choose from vivid black or gunship gray. Both colorways feature bronze accents and a matte dark bronze finish on the Prodigy cast aluminum wheels. Both color options will start at $29,999. Riders who aren't put off by a bit higher price tag can add the Cornering Rider Safety Enhancements package, which includes cornering ABS, cornering traction control, drag torque slip control, vehicle hold control, and a tire pressure monitoring system.